I'm Nigel from Chipping Norton Joinery. I've had this business for 22 years. Our core business is obviously windows, doors and staircases, bespoke sizes obviously, because the area we live in is a lot of period properties. Every door and frame is a completely different size. When we can go to a particular house and we may have 8 windows to make, and they're all 8 different sizes in these houses, and since we've had obviously the dimension saw, it's allowed us to get into making kitchens. So in the last 12 months now, we've actually made 2 kitchens which we wouldn't have done before we had the panel saw. We wouldn't have had that flexibility to be able to cut the carcasses out like we can with this, obviously, and it's got the scribing blade on it as well, which is absolutely phenomenal. Cutting the boards, we get no break out of the back and get the absolutely exceptional finish with it. We're super impressed with the planer and thicknesser. We purchased it 9 months ago. Dan asked me how it was going, texted him back or WhatsApped him back, and I said, I think it's going all right, but I don't really know because my son won't let me have a go on it. He likes using it that much. He's always just happy to stand on that planer all day because the results, it gives us a brilliant. The results from the planer, it absolutely planes perfectly straight. It's an absolute world-class machine. The features on it, the incremental rise on it is the digit drive is brilliant, and it's got programmable settings on it as well. Obviously got the silent cutter block as well, which is great on all ears now, because when one person is using the planer and one is doing something else in the workshop, the other one that's not using the planer always notices the noise more than the actual one that's using it, believe it or not. But with a silent cutter block and the little turn plate cutters on it, it's exceptional. So easy to change. Over the 20 years I've had Felder machines, I've had very, very few issues with them. Customer service is fantastic, to be honest with you. And it's always nice to know that you can get the parts as well. You can, and somebody's got some knowledge there, and they're only a phone call away as well. So, which is really good. It's nice to know that. They've also made us very competitive in the speed in which we can actually do things, and repeatability as well. And we found our turnover now has gone up considerably in the last sort of 18 months. Now I've got Tom, obviously, I've got another pair of hands doing things, but I've now trained him up on these machines, and he's at a level now where he's been here 2 years. He can make windows and doors on his own without any input into me helping him, which is great. And so we are definitely going to evolve probably, and obviously we're going to make the workshop bigger, so it's going to give us that flexibility to be able to increase probably our workload over the next sort of 12-18 months. Felder machines they're great. They do exceptional standards of work. Jobs, what we're turning out, the quality is always high. Customers are always more than pleased when we get a job to them. And I think obviously I can see we'll invest in some other machine sometime during the future. It'll always be a Felder.